What's up, glam dolls and glam dudes? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, what it do? So guys, today we're going to get into these twists. I call them the passion twist. I don't know what you may call them, but I just love twists, guys. So let's get into it. Tricks that you plan for the next whole week. Plans too long for a brother so cheap, and your flex so D and your sex so D. So guys, on today's video, you all are gonna hang with me and we're gonna get into doing these twists. It's gonna take me a while, guys, but guess what? We're gonna manage to get through it. So stay tuned. Let's go. Jump in. I really didn't know what I was gonna do, but today I'm just gonna put some twist in my head with this passion twist hair that I've been having. I've already started one and I've parted the rest of the back area. So we're gonna just do these and then I'm gonna show you all, once I get to the top, I'm gonna show you all how I part and put them in, I'm guessing. I have three different, I guess you can say, colors. I have this blonde color, I have a brown, and of course the black color. I have all these. I'm just going to incorporate in my hair some type of way because I already had the hair, guys, and I'm not wasting no hair, so we're going to just go ahead on and put those in. Okay guys, so I finished the last row of 4. Now I'm about to part it and I'm going to move into the next section, guys, and then we're just gonna keep moving. Of course, I'm going to give you an in-depth detail once I get around the front and the top so that you all can see exactly what I'm doing. But so far this is hectic, guys. I'm tired and I only did 4 so far. I have so many more left to do. So guys, I'm just gonna speed up this process. I'll let you see some of the process as I'm going along this middle section. But this right here, guys, I'm about to tackle so that I can come back to you all and give you an in-depth details. Okay guys, so I'm now moved to this side of my head. I'm gonna part it. It's kind of, if y'all can see this, it's kind of dirty, so I'm just gonna part it and make sure that it's straight. Now that we have a straight part, I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna try to connect it around here just to get it out the way. We're gonna spray some water. After spraying the water, we're just gonna pull so that it can kind of detangle it. We're going to use some of the Shea Moisture's Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner just to put on the roots. Now I'm going to comb it out and then I'm going to place a rubber band on it and I'll be right back to you. Okay guys, so I've parted these and placed rubber bands on them. Now I'm going to just, this comb has hair in it from me combing, so I'm just going to comb this one out again. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to just double strand twist it. Then after doing this, I'm going to just go in and part the rest of the hair, and I'll be back to you all once I get ready to apply the twist. Okay guys, so I've done this side already. I'm just gonna do this side off camera, then come back to you all. So now we're gonna just take these two and we're gonna put the clip on it. And we're gonna go in this one. I'm just gonna take this mix and I'm just gonna apply it. We're gonna use just this. We're gonna take it, wrap it around, braid it. Once you braid it enough going down, you're gonna take it. My nails are getting caught, you know. But you're gonna take it, then you're gonna add that piece of hair that your hair, and you're just gonna twist with it. And twist it all the way down to the end, and that's gonna be your twist. I'm not trying to be nice and neat with them because I want them to look kind of old, roughish, because that's what makes it look cute. At least to me, that's the way I feel. And since this is the edges, I didn't want them to be too, you know, too heavy on the edges. Gonna go in with it. Braid. 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 Okay guys, so I finally finished my hair. Of course, I'm going to insert a clip or insert a picture of my hair right here. So far, I'm loving it because, you know, I did this within 3 to 4 hours. So I feel like I did damn good. So guys, if you like this hairstyle and you want to do this hairstyle, just follow my video. So guys, like I said, I'm loving this hair, and this was old hair, so it was kind of hard for me to work with, but I managed to do it anyways. Guys, this came out perfect. It's going to be one of those just get up and go. I'm going to do a video styling this hair along with outfits, so just stay tuned for that. And guess what? We about to get 2021 popping, period. Also guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click that notification bell so you can know when I post more videos. Duh!